Hi there. I am your host Dan Want Singh and you are watching the screens of Dan Want Computer and Artistic Skills. In next few minutes I am going to discuss following topic. Who is a draftsman and key characteristics of a good draftsman? A draftsman is a skilled professional who creates technical drawings and plans used in construction, manufacturing, engineering, or architecture. Who is a draftsman? A draftsman is someone who 1. Prepares detailed drawings, blueprints, and plans based on ideas, sketches, or specifications given by engineers, architects, or designers. 2. Uses manual tools or, more commonly today, computer-aided design, CAD, software like AutoCAD, SolidWorks, Revit, etc. Works in industries such as 1. Civil engineering involves buildings, roads, bridges. 2. Mechanical engineering involves machinery, tools, components. 3. Architecture involves residential and commercial buildings. 4. Electrical or structural engineering. Types of draftsmen. 1. Civil draftsman, creates drawings for construction projects like roads, bridges, buildings. 2. Mechanical draftsman, designs parts for machines and mechanical systems. 3. Architectural draftsman, assists architects with building plans and layouts. 4. Electrical draftsman, draws wiring diagrams, circuit layouts, etc. The key characteristics of a good draftsman presented in a clear and professional format. 1. Technical proficiency. A. Strong understanding of engineering or architectural principles. B. Skilled in CAD software such as AutoCAD, SolidWorks, Revit, etc. C. Ability to read and interpret technical drawings and blueprints. 2. Attention to detail. A. Precision is critical, even small errors can lead to costly mistakes. B. Ability to produce accurate, clear, and well-dimensioned drawings. 3. Creativity and visualization. A. Ability to visualize objects in 3 dimensions from 2-dimensional drawings. B. Creative approach to solving spatial or design-related problems. 4. Communication skills. A. Can effectively collaborate with engineers, architects, and project managers. B. Capable of explaining drawings and incorporating feedback. 5. Problem-solving skills. A. Ability to identify and resolve design or structural issues within drawings. B. Thinks critically and adapts to challenges. 6. Time management. A. Delivers drawings on schedule, even under tight deadlines. B. Efficient at managing multiple projects at once. 7. Adaptability and continuous learning. A. Keeps up with the latest drafting tools, industry standards, and software updates. B. Open to learning new methods and technologies. 8. Patience and perseverance. A. Drafting can be detailed and time-consuming. Patience ensures quality work. B. Perseveres through revisions and technical challenges. MCQ. Characteristics of a good draftsman. 1. Which software is most commonly used by draftsmen for creating technical drawings? A. Microsoft Word. B. AutoCAD. C. Adobe Photoshop. D. VLC Media Player. Answer is B. AutoCAD. 2. What is the most important quality for ensuring precision in technical drawings? A. Creativity. B. Speed. C. Attention to detail. D. Multitasking. Answer is C. Attention to detail. 3. A draftsman must have the ability to visualize. A. Music patterns. B. Financial data. C. 3D structures from 2D drawings. D. Movie scripts. Answer is C. 3D structures from 2D drawings. 4. Why is communication skill important for a draftsman? A. To give public speeches. B. To collaborate and understand project requirements. C. To manage sales. D. To conduct interviews. Answer is B. To collaborate and understand project requirements. 5. Which of the following is not a typical responsibility of a draftsman? A. Preparing technical drawings. B. Interpreting blueprints. C. Diagnosing medical issues. D. Using CAD software. Answer is C. Diagnosing medical issues. 6. Time management is important for a draftsman because A. Drawings must be colorful. B. Projects have deadlines. C. They must teach students. D. They must write reports. Answer is B. Projects have deadlines. 7. Continuous learning helps a draftsman to A. Stay updated with new drafting tools and standards. B. Memorize historical dates. C. Improve handwriting. D. Learn cooking recipes. Answer is A. Stay updated with new drafting tools and standards. The video ends here. I hope the information you grabbed from this video help you in your future studies and projects. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in next video of my channel with more interesting content. Stay tuned.